Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Simplicity website pattern haul. All the patterns in this haul are part of an order I placed on Simplicity's official website. Although I ordered the patterns from Simplicity's official website, all the patterns are either new look or Bruda style patterns, not Simplicity. The first two patterns I purchased are Bruda style pattern numbers 6382 and 6387. Both patterns are new for fall 2018. Recently, I've been on the hunt for a dress like 6382, but couldn't find one. In the event I couldn't find a ready-made dress at the store, I decided to purchase the pattern so I can make myself one. As for 6387, I have a pattern for a coat similar to this one that I love, but I wanted to try this pattern to see if I loved it more. The next two patterns I purchased, and the last Bruda style patterns in this haul, are 6398 and 6399. These two patterns are costume patterns for Renaissance-inspired costumes. They caught my eye because they look similar to Game of Thrones costumes. I really look forward to sewing them in the future, specifically 6398. The last two patterns in this haul are new look pattern numbers 6571 and 6572. These patterns are the only new look patterns I purchased in this haul. Although I've seen dresses like them in the store, they rarely fit me right. So I purchased myself these patterns in order to make myself dresses that will fit me. Well, that's all I have to show you. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.